Hey guys, today I have with me OnePlus 9R. The smartphone offers a 6.55-inch Fluid AMOLED display having a pixel density of 402 ppi and refresh rate of 120Hz. OnePlus 9R has a bezel-less punch-hole display with Corning Gorilla Glass V5 protection. On the right spine, you will find the power button and alert slider, and on the other side, the phone has the volume rocker. On top, there is a secondary microphone. The bottom of the phone features a USB Type-C port, SIM tray and a speaker grill. OnePlus 9R comes with a quad camera setup with OnePlus logo. So that's all as far as the design is concerned. Now let's get into the details about the internals. OnePlus 9R comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870 chipset with 7nm fabrication. For multitasking, you will get 8GB of RAM and the internal capacity of the smartphone is 128GB. OnePlus 9R offers a 4500 mAh battery powered by a 65-watt fast charging facility. Coming to the camera aspects, the phone features a 48-megapixel quad camera setup and includes a 48-megapixel primary camera supported by a 16-megapixel ultra-wide angle camera, a 5-megapixel macro camera and a 2-megapixel mono camera. Also, the phone offers a 16-megapixel front camera with an Exmor RS sensor. The software version of OnePlus 9R is Android 11 with Oxygen OS. So guys, that's it for OnePlus 9R. Thank you so much for watching this video.